Do you have quality issues with the machining of your components? Do you need to improve the performance of machine elements under extreme conditions? The problem usually lies in the forces and temperatures generated during the cutting process and how they interact with the tool. With this test bench designed and assembled by Mondragon University research staff, we can understand the impact of input variables on the cutting process and find solutions that improve the quality of components, efficiency, and durability of cutting tools for turning, milling, drilling, or broaching processes. In addition, we can analyze the behavior of machine elements such as bearings, ball screws, and linear guides under extreme speed conditions. The equipment features an exclusive electromechanical linear motion system that allows it to operate at a unique range of speeds, reaching up to 510 meters per minute. This test bench is designed to be versatile and accurate. It can operate in manual, automatic, or remote mode, adapting to different testing scenarios. It allows for wide and controlled movement on all 3 axes, with very fine resolutions that guarantee accuracy in every test. At the same time, it records key variables such as cutting speed, position, forces, and temperature in real time, as well as detailed images of the process. To maintain reliability, it features automatic lubrication systems and maintenance monitoring, as well as sensors that continuously monitor critical components. The equipment is installed in the laboratories on the Mondragon campus and is available to companies that wish to test it or develop innovation projects.